Hello viewers, in this video today, we're going to talk about top 5 best sports and action camera under $1,000 available on the market today. We have compiled this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. The best camera for sports and action, and wildlife, photography definitely requires a few very obvious things, as well as a few more less exciting specifications. Plus, of course, the sheer skill of the photographer in getting a camera's advanced autofocus system to do what they need it to. There are many cameras on the market today that could be considered the best for sports and action. So, we have put on a list of best sports and action camera which is under $1,000, to make you decide. Number 1. Insta 361. The one shoots in every direction at once, capturing seamless 4K 360 degrees video. All new flow state stabilization lets you capture hypnotically smooth video, no matter what you're doing. Flow state outperforms leading smartphone gimbals. And since it doesn't require any accessories, you can use it anywhere with zero hassle. Number 2. Gopro Hero. Meet Hero. With a touchscreen and durable waterproof design, it's easy to score awesome shots of any adventure. Or use it to capture everyday things from creative new perspectives. Your moments move right to the GoPro app and transform into amazing videos, automatically. Wherever life takes you, capture and share your story with Hero. Number 3. GoPro Hero 5 Session. Capture different with Hero 5 Session. With its stunning 4K video, one-button simplicity and voice control, Hero 5 Session may be the ultimate combination of performance and small size. Liquid smooth image stabilization, waterproof design and go-anywhere durability help capture life as you live it. Number 4. Sony Hdr AS200 VR, W. Snag super smooth video and stunning pics with advanced image stabilization, splash-proof body and live view remote. You'll capture the action in high-quality XAVCS format, with built-in Wi-Fi and stereo mic with wind noise reduction. And it's easy to edit your best moves into one video with included Highlight Movie Maker software. Number 5. GoPro Hero4. Capture your world in an all-new way with Hero4 Silver, the first ever GoPro to feature a built-in touch display. Controlling the camera, framing shots and playing back content is now ultra-convenient. Just view, tap and swipe the screen. Hero4 Silver captures video with lifelike clarity, plus 12MP photos at a staggering 30 frames per second. New experience-enhancing features include High Light Tag, which lets you mark key moments for easy playback, editing and sharing.